Hi friends, we have a nice equation 8 to the power x plus 27 to the power x over 12 to the power x plus 18 to the power x is equal to 7 over 6. We have to find out value of x. Okay, so let's start. 8 to the power x can be bracket 2 cube to the power x plus this 3 cube to the power x over this as 2 square into 3 to the power x plus 2 into 3 square to the power x is equal to 7 over 6. Okay. Now we rearrange this as 2 to the power x cube, right? H a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power n to the power m, right? So plus this as 3 to the power x cube over this can be written as 2 to the power x square 3 to the power x plus this as 2 to the power x into 3 to the power x to the power 2 is equal to 7 over 6, right? Now let 2a is equal to 2 to the power x and b is equal to 3 to the power x, right? So this equation will change as 2 to the power x is a, then cube, plus this as b cube over this as a square b plus this as a b square is equal to 7 over 6. Okay. As we know, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Here we take ab as common, so we have remain a plus b is equal to 7 over 6, right? Now this and this will cancel out, so we have a square minus ab plus b square over ab is equal to 7 over 6, right? If we cross multiply, we get 6a square minus 13ab plus 6b square is equal to 0, right? 6a square, this minus 9ab minus 4ab plus 6b square is equal to 0, right? Here 3a as common, so 2a minus 3b and minus 2b as common, so we have remained 2a minus 3b is equal to 0, right? So 2a minus 3b into 3a minus 2b is equal to 0. Now we have two cases. 2a minus 3b is equal to 0 and 3a minus 2b is equal to 0, right? So 2a is equal to 3b. 2 into a, as we have assumed, 2 to the power x is equal to 3 into b, we have assumed as 3 to the power x. So here 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power x plus 1, right? As we know, 2 is equal to 3 when power will be 0, right? So we can say x plus 1 will be equal to 0, right? So x is equal to minus 1, right? If we go with this, 3a is equal to 2b. 3a we have assumed 2 to the power x is equal to 2 into b as 3 to the power x, right? So 2 to the power x over 3 to the power x is equal to 2 over 3, right? So 2 by 3 to the power x is equal to 2 over 3 to the power 1, right? So same base, x is equal to 1, right? Now we can safely say that x equal to minus 1 will satisfy the equation. Also x is equal to plus 1 will also satisfy the equation. So value of x will be 1 and minus 1. Okay friends, thank you.